How you guys doing? You know what this is. Yeah, it's Charlie Brown. We're back. Got the, this right here is the wheel that was cracked. Cut out the hub out of a Ford Mustang donut my neighbor gave me. And I went out to Advance and got these studs with the lug nuts and the studs themselves, both sides. That's a total of 4. It costs around like $15–16. But I have all 4 studs and everything's working good. You guys remember my shifter handle kept on falling off. I had my neighbor, Mr. Jack, held it on, so I don't have to worry about that. My next project is going to be with this Wizard front end. Where the holes are, right there and over there, I'm going to cut them there. I'm going to make the front end longer, both sides, about 6 to a foot longer. Because every time I try to make a full turn, I hit the steering, I hit this frame or something when I'm trying to make a full turn. But let me go up here and take you guys, show you the donut that we cut the rim off of for the tire. No, I got a new steering wheel. It's a heck of a lot better. A little bit smaller, but I don't care. Put in first gear. And remember, I'm using my foot throttle down. Go up this hill here. Alright, well, this is the donut. See, I think I used a torch to cut it out, but oh well. Alright, y'all. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to be posting more videos probably. I'm going to go down here in a little while and go in the mud pit. Bye.